Hi everyone, I am very excited for today's video because PotteryBarn has launched their newest collection for summer that is inspired from rich Indian tradition. Do you hear that? Rich Indian tradition? Yes, I'm very excited about it. So let's get started with today's video. Welcome everyone. If you have not seen me before, my name is Dvaja and I make home decor DIY videos, and that's super fun videos. And if you like to do the same, like to do DIY and to have some high-end decor, organic looking decor in your home, you will definitely love the videos on this channel. Go ahead and check out right now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let me get started right now. So PotteryBarn has launched their newest collection with something that they call inspired from the rich Indian tradition, block print. If you don't know, I share almost 20 years of background with India. I was there in India for 20 years and then I moved here. So I was super excited when I saw the same type of prints on the PotteryBarn website with pretty much same kind of color that I used to see in my childhood. It's just feel really great. It's something that I saw when I was a child, that everyone is having block printed bed sheets in their home, and now they all moved to modern home decor. Everything slick, straight, horizontal, minimalistic, neutral. Out of that, block print, the bright colors, complicated designs, that makes me feel really great. So let me show you first what kind of designs that PotteryBarn has right now, and then I can actually show you how does that work. If you go to PotteryBarn website homepage, you might see some design that has block prints. But when you actually scroll down, you can see one entire section dedicated to block print. There are basically quilts, and they come in a variety of bright colors. They have a different type of combination that will definitely complement your home decor. And if you just search for the block print on the website, that will come up with multiple block print products. They are in the neutral colors as well as in the bright colors as well. So if you're not a color fan, you should definitely go and check this out, because that gives you a more option for the block prints. Block printing is an art that started from the Mughal Empire in India. I can say that there were different designs even for the block printing. Some of them were animal prints or animals and flowers. Some of them are flowers but in specific colors, red, green, brown. Some designs were just on the earthy tones. They are made from mud. There were different type of block printing in India, and there are families who is having this business from generations. They still make these stems from wood pieces. They carve the blocks. It's so hard to carve the blocks. Sometimes it takes 1 day to a month for them just to carve one block. Yes, it's very hard. I'll show you. Due to COVID, all those artists were having this business from generations. They were struggling to earn money because no one was really buying home decor stuff. No one was really going out. In that time, some of the local businesses, local artists, came up how to expand their business, how to create an awareness about the traditional things that we have in India. So they came up with the collaboration with the local artists, and they have created their own brand. They use organic dye. They don't use machine-based dye, just like the older times. They still make it the old school style. That's the beauty of this art. So the one that is on PotteryBarn, they have styled it really well, because block printing doesn't go with the neutral colors usually. It has to be in a pop color like red, yellow, green, basic but pop colors. And it also always have the black outline for any design. They have incorporated block print with the modern home decor. PotteryBarn has a neutral color bed sheets, and they also have plain pillowcases that matches with the block printed quilt. Nowadays, they have a modern block printing in which they have included a modern shapes with older designs. That does provide a good designs even for the clothing as well. There are many clothing brands in India. They have started selling block printing. They have taken block printing to the next level, and they are beautiful. I just came back from India. I saw how people have started admiring the block printing over anything else. I also ordered same type of block print. It actually made from wood. They sell it on a commercial basis now. So I've asked someone to get it for me. There are many of them available on Amazon. Whichever I get first, I'll probably be making the videos on how to make a block print design, how to recreate your own PotteryBarn design. And it's so fun to work with. You can actually do it with your acrylic paint. It doesn't have to be like any specific dye. You just need something for the decor, right? So I'll show you how to make the block print napkins, bed sheets, pillowcases. It's absolutely amazing process. It's so satisfying when you paint it and when you can like actually put on the stamp and it turns out pretty well. And so it's a fun process, and I've done it before, so I'm gonna show you in my next video as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please don't forget to watch my other videos on this channel. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe on them, and I will see you in the next video.